Feel the waves cut through me, hypnotized by the sounds I'm breathing in. Hold tight, chemicals.
Hi guys, I'm Priyanka. Welcome back to my channel, and today's video is going to be another one of the Zatki hauls. I already tried their lehengas and dresses. So this time it's going to be all fancy sarees, and all of them are under 2000 rupees I think. And some of you guys had questions last time if it was a sponsored video. I did not do a sponsored video. So I did two videos where I showed you guys some sarees in one, and the other one had lehengas and dresses. So anyway, it was not a sponsored video. I do talk a lot about local shopping where I explore things or I purchase things and show you guys, but when it comes to online shopping, you can't be really sure whether the product quality is going to be the same as if they're going to be the same as they look in the picture or the website. So a lot of you guys have asked me to try out a few websites for sarees and lehengas and all that. Jomso was something that I think a lot of you guys asked me to try, so that's the reason I did a Zatki haul showing you guys lehengas. So let's get started. I got about 6 sarees, so I'll show you guys one by one, and this is going to be a try on haul. So this is the first saree, and it's like organza. I think that's what this material is called. It's all floral printed, and it has this white border with a little bit of gold thread detailing. This I think was available in 2-3 colors, and these sort of organza sarees in floral print are quite in trend right now. I think some of the bigger designers are also doing them. If I'm not wrong, I've seen some floral print even in Sabyasachi's collection. So I quite like this saree, and when I wore it also, it looked quite pretty, and the quality is also pretty good. I really like this one, and I like the border and everything. It looks really nice. So the website picture has like a sleeveless blouse, so I'm not really able to tell, but this is probably the blouse. It has a little bit of a gold print on it. So next up we have the sequin saree, and it again looks very beautiful. This is the border of the saree. This is the border that comes on both the sides, and this would look really beautiful even for dupatta. So this has sequin work all over the saree, and it's actually a very beautiful saree. It looks really pretty for any of those engagement or wedding or reception kind of functions. So this is the blouse part of it, and the blouse is like off-white, and it also has this lining. This is again a very beautiful saree, and I tried it on actually, but what I don't like about this is that the length is not sufficient. So as you can see, this is basically the width of the saree. So when I am tying it, I don't have much left to drape it inside like this. So when I do this, it goes up. So as you can see, I'll drape at least this much, right? So after draping it, we'll have just this much of a length. So this area, the width is not sufficient for me, and I'm not extremely tall. Like I think I'm either 5'6" and a half. I'm probably 5'6" and a half. The total length of the saree is fine. You can make a lot of pleats and all that, but just that the width is not sufficient. So that was the only disadvantage with this particular saree. So next up we have this really beautiful saree. It's an off-white sort of like georgette saree, and it has like gold border. This is how the saree looks. It has maroon threadwork all over in roses, and then it has this sort of a border. So it looks really beautiful when draped. It's just so pretty, and it has a very nice blouse too. I really liked it. When I saw this on the website, I was like, if it's gonna look like this, then I really want it. So pretty. So when I draped it, I was wearing a maroon color polka dotted blouse. With that also it looked fine, but look at this work. It has silver color, or sort of rose gold color threaded embroidery. Next up we have something simple. It's a plain black georgette saree, but it has these sort of frills. Because it's black on black, I'm not sure if it's visible on the camera, but it has like layers of pleats, and I'll also insert a picture as to how it looks on the website. So this is how it looks. It has like a red blouse, and this is available in different colors, and it's about 1400 rupees. So if you were to get a plain saree and get these pleats, I'm not sure how much that would cost. The quality of the material is good, and it's actually a pretty good saree. Next up again we have something in off-white. This is actually sort of white, and it looks so pretty. This one is actually one of my favorites. So it's a very beautiful saree. It has this sort of a thread work all over the saree. So it has net and it has this sort of a detailing. It's really pretty, and the length again is a little bit short, but if you are not of the waist size that I am, then I don't think it should be a problem. So in the website, when you see a picture and all the description, you can scroll down a little, you can see videos of the actual saree, or some of the vloggers or YouTubers are actually showing these sarees or reviewing them. So you can get a fair idea from that. I saw 2 of these sarees in some videos, and actually that's how I decided that, you know, this will actually be pretty, because this sort of ones, you know, can look really pretty in the picture and they might not turn out as good. So I was a little skeptical, I would say. So this is how the saree looks. So this is the blouse that it had come with. This is that raw silk kind of material, or tussar, I'm not sure. But it's a little thick, it's not super soft. And this is the lining, I believe, or maybe it's the other way around. I'm not sure, but this is off-white and this material is very soft. So one of them is the blouse and the other one is the lining, I'm assuming. Now this is the last one. This one I was very skeptical, because this looked like a designer piece and it looks so beautiful. So this is sort of that light green. I posted this on Instagram too, and it has embroidery all over, and this is also that organza, I think, so it's very pretty, and it has this frills at the bottom, so it has a very different style to it, and I really like this one. This has to be my favorite of all of them. So if you're looking to get like one saree for any of those parties, then I would definitely suggest you to go for this one, because as you can see, it looks so delicate and pretty. So this pastel color and all that, it looks very beautiful. So this is the blouse that it had come with. It's a sleeveless blouse, according to what the picture shows in the video, but you can totally get it done as you like, and you can actually even wear it with something that you already have. I think I'll wear it with my off-white floral crop top, and it will look really pretty, and it looks like one of those designer pieces that Archana Rao or some of those designers would do. So I really like this one. The saree is for 1690 rupees, and I think that's actually quite a good price for this beautiful green saree. So those were all the sarees which I got from Zatki.com this time. So if you have any specific requests or anything that you would particularly like me to try out from this website or any other website, also do let me know in the comments below, and I would love to review them for you guys. So that is it for this video, guys. If you're not subscribed to my channel, then make sure that you're subscribed. I do a lot of fashion and beauty videos, lookbooks and hauls and so much more. I'll also leave my Instagram handle here, find me there as well. I actually post short fashion videos and mini reviews there also, so find me there, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.